Welcome to final BSc Statistics students. In paper 6, in unit 1, in lesson 3, we discuss process control and product control. The two topics, process control and product control. What is process control? The process control is to control and maintain the quality of the manufactured product so that it satisfies specified quality standards. What is the main important purpose of this process control is nothing but in any production process, the main purpose is to control and maintain the quality of the manufactured product so that it satisfies specified quality standards. You see, main important objective of the process control is to control and maintain the quality of the manufactured product. This is usually in the consideration of the statistical quality control in the procedure of the SQC. Usually we consider some sample, that is sample of items, sample number of items from a lot. Lot means number of items produced in a day, that is the total population units. From the lot, whatever we have considered the sample, all the sample number of items are to be inspected so that you have to check whether the process is under statistically quality control. That is very important purpose of doing this procedure of statistical quality control, SQC technique. The statistical quality control technique, very important point is control and maintain the quality of the manufactured product so that it satisfies specified quality standards. That's what we are exactly doing in the procedure of the SQC. Whether they are meeting, they means items, whether selected items are meeting the specifications or not. Specifications which are laid down by the company, which will be given to or fixed to, which will be specified for any particular manufactured product. That means item. For any kind of manufactured items, some kind of specifications will be given, which are to be achieved, with the help of the process control. So whatever the selected items which are to be inspected, and then finally we have to give the conclusion based on the number of defective items which are identified, which are usually obtained in any particular production process, then which are to be eliminated. All the defective items are to be eliminated. And in this particular procedure, if we consider only the part of inspecting the sample number of items, whether they are meeting the specified quality standards laid down by the company, given by the company. For this, not only just the aspect of the controlling the process, and also to maintain the quality. Control the process and maintain the process. Control the quality and maintain the quality of any kind of manufactured product. That is the definition of the process control. Process control means controlling and maintaining the quality of the manufactured product. It is based on only the technique. It is based on certain specified quality standards, whether it is satisfying whether this particular process is satisfying the specified quality standards which are laid down by the company. Such procedure is known as process control. It means the process should be controlled in such a manner that the number of defective products produced by the process is minimum. That's what exactly. We are discussing every sense, in all kinds of procedures of statistical quality control. We want to minimize the defective kind of items. So it is also one of the very important point of considering the separate kind of definition of process control. Whatever the process is going to be specified, is going to be used to any kind of to produce any kind of manufactured item. That process, whether it is under control, to check whether the process is under control, and also it is maintained at certain specified standard levels. That's what the important point or important procedure of process control. Hope you understand. It means the process should be controlled in such a manner that the number of defective items or number of defective products produced by the process is minimum. This is known as process control. That is controlling and maintaining the quality of the product at specified certain standard levels. It is satisfied at certain standard levels is nothing but process control. It is developed and it is obtained by control charts, which were discovered by W.A. Shewhart in 1924. It is achieved by, that is, the process control is achieved by control charts, which was discovered by W.A. Shewhart in 1924. Now you see what is meant by product control. Product control is nothing but controlling the quality and also maintaining the quality accepted by the consumer, regardless of what quality level is being maintained by the producer. It is not the matter that what is the quality level is being maintained by the producer, which kind of maintenance, that is what kind of maintenance by the producer, it is not the matter. What quality is going to be maintained by the producer, we don't consider. What we consider in the product control, it is nothing but controlling the quality and maintaining the quality at certain quality level accepted by the consumer. Whereas you see, the process control is nothing but controlling and maintaining the quality at specified certain standard levels which are laid down by the company. Whatever the company specifications, at some kind of company specifications, whether they are meeting the specifications or not, that is, items are meeting the specifications or not, it is only looking in the matter of the process control, in the definition of the process control. Whereas in product control, it aims at controlling the quality of the product and maintaining the quality of the product at certain quality level accepted by the consumer. So it is in the point of view of the consumer, what quality level is going to be accepted and maintained by the consumer. Controlling the quality and maintaining the quality at certain quality level accepted by the consumer. That is the basic difference you have to observe in the definition of process and product control. In product control, it is in the point of view of the consumer that it is also controlling and maintaining the quality at certain quality level accepted by the consumer. But whereas in the process control, we do and we are objective, we are targeted at and we are aimed at controlling and maintaining the quality at specified quality standards given by the company, given by the manufacturer or a producer. Whereas in the product control, it takes the aspect of consumer, that is controlling the quality and maintaining the quality at certain quality level accepted by the consumer, regardless of what quality level is being maintained by the producer. This is achieved by sampling inspection plans. Product control is achieved by sampling inspection plans which were introduced by H.F. Dodge and H.C. Romick. Dodge and Romick. These are who are the two different statisticians which discovered the answer for the product control. How to maintain the quality at certain quality level accepted by the consumer, how to control the quality and how to maintain the quality in the point of view of the consumer, which quality level is going to be accepted by the consumer, which can be achieved through the sampling inspection plans introduced by Dodge and Romick. What are meant by sampling inspection plans? Based on the sample information which are taken from the lot, we give some certain quality standards, and what quality level is going to be maintained by the consumer, that is in the point of view of the consumer, accepted by the consumer, not by the consumer, accepted by the consumer. It is going to be specified through the sample from the lot, that is from the lot, whatever the sample information we have collected, and based on the sample information we have to give the conclusion to the lot. Such kind of inspection plans, by examining the sample, by inspecting the sample, whatever the information will be provided to the lot, and such kind of giving the answers to the lot based on the sample, inspecting the sample is nothing but sampling inspection plan. Sampling inspection plans. So sampling inspection plans provide answer to the product control, and control charts provide answer to the process control. That is, process control is achieved by control charts developed by Shewhart, and whereas product control is achieved by sampling inspection plans discovered by Dodge and Dromick. We discuss in this chart techniques of statistical quality control, SQC. First we observe, it is very important of aspect of as in a simple diagrammatic simple diagram. It can be represented in simple diagram. You see, you observe this techniques of SQC, which is divided into two categories: process control and product control. That's what we have discussed today. Process control is achieved by control charts. Product control is achieved by sampling inspection plans. It is divided into two kinds of control charts. Now come to the process control. It is divided into two kinds of control charts: variable control charts, attribute control charts, which are discussed as control charts for variables, control charts for attributes. Control charts for variables are X bar chart, R chart, sigma chart. You see the first one. Control charts for attributes are the second one: C chart, NP chart, and P chart. It is not capital P, it is small p chart. Okay, C chart, NP chart, P chart. These are the three usual general kind of control charts attributes. X bar chart, R chart, sigma charts are control charts in variables. Control charts of variables, we have these three: X bar, R, sigma. Control charts for attributes are C, NP, and P. Now come to the another part, product control. By sampling inspection plans, it can be achieved. There are two categories: attributes and variables. Product control, there are two categories again: attributes and variables. Usually more number of sampling inspection plans are constructed for attributes, because consumer tests only the aspect of proportion of defective items. How the percent of acceptance based on less number of defective items, acceptance based on less number of defective items, less proportionate number of defective items. So therefore product control is one of the main category of the product control is attributes. Of course variables also is there. Variable control chart, that is variable for variables, sampling inspection plans is also going to be achieved, constructed through the product control. Product control is achieved by sampling inspection plans. Process control is achieved by control charts. You have to remember these two techniques of statistical quality control. Process control, it is categorized in two ways: process control and product control. Process control is achieved by control charts, and product control is achieved by sampling inspection plans.